And we start with the Delta variant of COVID-19 as it continues to spread. We learn more counties are addressing the concerns about its rise. Good evening. I'm Caitlin Monty in for Jonathan Martin.
And I am Rashi Vatz. Today we're hearing from Fort Bend County officials and also speaking directly to a doctor over in Galveston who's treating COVID-19 patients currently. Fox 26's Maria Salazar joining us live now from Richmond with the important things that they are saying.
Well, Rashi and Caitlin, like Harris County, Galveston and Fort Bend counties are also reporting an increase in cases and hospitalizations because of the Delta variant. But Fort Bend County officials are touting their higher vaccination rates for generally having less hospitalizations. Meanwhile, in Galveston, a frontline doctor says he's seeing a significant increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations in the last 2 weeks. He says most of them are under 50 and unvaccinated.
The majority, I'm looking at my list right now, are between 30, 40, and 50s.
Dr. Michael Wynn with Galveston UTMB reports the number of COVID-19 patients in his unit has tripled in the last 2 weeks.
We're seeing mostly patients that are hospitalized were unvaccinated. And so that's the majority of patients, and it's very difficult to accept that. Ironically, the younger ones are the ones that are being hit hardest right now. The ones that are on high flow oxygen and the ones that end up, decompensating and going down to the ICU.
Other counties are reporting the same trend. According to state data, in the last 2 weeks, the 7-day average for cases in Galveston County went from 48 to 96. In Harris County from 254 to 627. In Fort Bend County from 25 to 100.
And of the variant cases reported to the Fort Bend County Health Department this week, or in the past week, 77% were of the Delta lineage. The vast majority of the severe illnesses have been in unvaccinated people.
But for now, Fort Bend County is reporting less general and ICU hospital admissions relative to its population.
Our community has benefited from a population willing to be vaccinated and provide protection for themselves and others.
The county reports 88% of those 65 and older are fully vaccinated.
12 and up, 74% got at least one vaccine, and 66% of Fort Bend County is fully vaccinated.
Even so, Fort Bend County officials are urging everyone to take precautions, wear masks and socially distance, since the impact of the Delta variant remains to be seen.
However, we've got to consider our neighbors and children for whom vaccination is not an option.
And the message from county leaders here in Fort Bend County, as well as Dr. Wynn, is the same that we've heard all week from other officials like in Harris County. If you haven't gotten your vaccine, you should go get it. That is their message. And coming up on the News Edge Early Edition at 6, I'll take a closer look at hospitalizations in Fort Bend and Galveston County, comparing it to their vaccination rates. Reporting live in Richmond, Maria Salazar, Fox 26 News.